Hey everybody, Jay here at Lock and Lube. Today I'm very excited to introduce our Easy-Prime Grease Gun. This grease gun is a collaboration with Pressall, a German manufacturer, family-owned business that's been around for over 100 years. They're also the original inventor of the oil can, same one you might remember from The Wizard of Oz or from your grandpa's garage. So let me show you what we've got in the box here. The first thing you'll notice about the Easy-Prime Grease Gun is that it doesn't have the traditional T-pull and follower on the bottom. The way we're able to accomplish this is with precision engineering in the head that creates a vacuum and pulls the grease up without the assistance of a follower. What you need instead are these reusable plastic caps. Each grease gun is going to come with a bag of 10, and these can be reused as many times as you want. You slide it in the bottom of the grease cartridge, push up a little bit, and once you start pumping, it's just going to pull the follower up along with the grease until you get all the way to the top of the cartridge. Once you're there, pop this out, swap out the tube, and put it in the next one. A couple other features I want to highlight here. Our loop and lock storage design. This inert grease fitting, a dummy Zerk, is going to allow you to clip your coupler on there when it's not in use, and we'll demonstrate that in just a moment. And also, the rolled threads. So unlike traditional cut threads, these are going to be impossible to cross thread. They're also much more durable. So if the grease gun were to be dropped, something like that, of course, you'd never drop your grease gun, but just in case you do, these aren't going to be damaged and strip out. Another nice benefit is that it goes in really quickly. Couple turns, and that barrel's all the way in. Now, in addition to the grease gun, of course, you're going to get the Lock and Lube hose assembly. You got our Lock and Lube grease coupler and our inline hose swivel rated to 10,000 PSI. Really high quality 20-inch grease hose in between them. So I'll just put this on finger tight to show you what it looks like. Once you get this assembled, like I said, so this is all 1/8-inch pipe thread connection. Pipe thread is a tapered standard, so you don't need to really crank down on this. Once it's finger tight, put a wrench on there, snug it down a little bit, and you're good to go. Coupler locks onto our loop and lock, and once you're there, you've got a nice convenient way to carry or store your grease gun. Keeps the coupler nice and clean. It's not getting grease all over you, and it's not collecting dirt and grime on the end. So that's the Lock and Lube Easy-Prime Grease Gun. For more information on this and our other products, check out locknlube.com or search YouTube for Lock and Lube.